Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting two controllers and signing in a second account. This is the foundation. Once done, launch Fortnite from the primary account so the lobby appears. Make sure the console has a stable internet connection and that both controllers register in system settings, otherwise split screen won't initialize. You do this now to avoid interruptions later, because split screen depends on recognized input devices and valid player profiles before joining a match. With the lobby open, prompt the second controller to press the join button. This action attaches the second account to your session. Once the second player appears, you can select loadouts, pick a game mode, and configure party privacy. Make sure to select duo or squad modes if you want cooperative play, because solo modes won't split. If you customize settings, confirm both players agree before you hit play, so the split screen starts with the right setup and minimal matchmaking. Press play to load into the match. Fortnite will automatically split the display when the game accepts both players. If you see a black or single-player screen, don't panic. Make sure the second controller is active, then try swapping USB/Bluetooth ports or re-signing the secondary account. If problems persist, close Fortnite and restart the console to clear cached input states. One key tip: check party privacy and account age restrictions, because parental controls commonly block split-screen access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.